In this tutorial, I will show you how to add filters in ProtonMail. Once you are logged in, click on the Settings icon on the top menu. Now on the left side menu, you will see Filters, click on it. Then click on the Add Filter button. Type in a name for your filter. Then click on the Select Drop menu. Select the first condition for your filter. Now choose the second condition. Type in the text or pattern. In this case, I will type in my email address. Then click on the check mark to confirm the text or pattern. Next, select an action. I will select Apply Labels. Since I have not added any labels yet, I will add one now. Just type in the name for the label and choose a color. Then click Save. Make sure the label is checked. Then save the filter. Now let's test it out to see if it works. And it works. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helps you out. If you want to support the channel, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video.